Hey guys, Matt Bartram here from Warrior Fitness and Health, and I coach busy people to create fitter and healthier lifestyles with my PT, my boot camps and my nutritional consultations. Welcome to this short vlog in this series, my habit reset series, or my creating better habits series. So previously we've discussed step number 1, which was starting super tiny and super small. We've discussed step number 2, which was getting that tiny or small habit and marrying it and pairing it with something that already happens every single day, and you bolt the two together so the two never get separated. If you've missed these videos, go and search for them. If you can't find them still, message me and I'll point you in the right direction. In this vlog, we're going to cover a principle called 66-2. The principle of 66-2. So we're going to break this in. What on earth is this 66 business? So firstly, we need to know, how long does science prove a new habit takes to establish? It can take anywhere between 18 and 254 days. That number depends on the size of the habit, the environment you're in, your personality, your support structure, how the habit is formed under various conditions, and more importantly, have you successfully done this habit before, or have you had failure after failure after failure? So a habit is formed between 18 and 254 days. The average, or what scientists call the point of automaticity, and what that means is the habit is now easier to carry on than it is to go back to an old behaviour, is 66 days. So there we go. It's 2 months, isn't it? It's 2 months, give or take a few days. So the 66 is, you've got to be doing your new habit day in, day out for 66 days for it to reach the point of automaticity when it's easier to carry on than it is to go back to an old behaviour. So that's 66. So what you should be doing when you've done your tiny habit and you've paired it and you married it, you should be now tracking it for 66 days. That might be on a homemade chart. It might be on an app. It might be in a group. It might be in a forum. It might be stickers on a piece of paper. It doesn't matter how, but you need to track the journey of the habit for 66 days where you're ticking it off sticker, or updating some sort of app. I know what you're thinking. Matt, you spoke about 66. What the hell is this 2 business? Number 2 is dead important. And it can only be summarised in never miss twice. Again, it's so important, I'm going to say it twice. Never miss twice. What science has shown is when we're doing a super tiny habit and we've paired or married it to something that happens daily, if we miss once, no problem. As soon as we remember we've missed once, we get straight back to the habit and we do it. As soon as you miss twice, you're now reinforcing a habit of missing, or a habit of non-compliance, or a habit of it's okay to miss every now and again. So the 2 is never miss twice. As soon as you realise you forgot that piece of fruit for breakfast, go and grab a piece of fruit right now, grab it and eat it to reinforce I eat fruit. As soon as you've forgotten that glass of water with a coffee or with a meal, go and get a glass of water. As soon as you miss 2 days on the bounce, or twice in a day, or twice consecutively, and you're putting crosses on your sheet or your app or your forum, you're now developing a habit of missing. So 66-2. You need to be doing your super tiny habit, marrying it to something else for 66 days and tracking it, and you're trying to never miss twice. So the big summary: app or tracker or sheet, don't give in for 66 days, because that's a point of automaticity. As soon as you realise you've missed, get back on it. Don't form twice together, 2 crosses together, 2 misses together. Try not to let that happen. Right, that's step number 3 in resetting habits or establishing new habits. If you found this useful, let's help as many people out there, and I'm pointing to the window, let's get them as healthy and fit as possible. Let's help the local community with free info. Like it, share it, tag somebody into it, comment and send it on its way. Not selling anything, just trying to help people. But If you did want to take it to the next level and learn more about my PT, my boot camps, my nutritional consultations, DM me, send me a message, reach out to one of the warriors or one of my PT clients, ask them what I'm like, and then contact me if you want to start a conversation. Love you all loads. See you in the next vlog.